guys, welcome back. So I'm here again. So this is another sit down video because I would like to share with you guys what I purchased from our recent vacation in South Korea. So actually it was just like last week when we had, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to update this on time, pero last week lang kami bumisita sa South Korea and it was summer, so it was very hot, as in super hot talaga when we got there. Yan, sandali, ayusin natin. Ayos ba yung self? Okay, maayos ang self. And the reason why I made this video because since it was my first time visiting Korea and it was a summer season sila. Yes. Kaya gusto ko i-share sa inyo, syempre, yung mga purchases ko, and I'm very excited kasi guys, to inform you, medyo kinabahan kami ng mga friends ko. Shout out sa mga friends ko, Mami McCoy and also Erica, who's actually with me during this vacation. I'll have just some snippets of our pictures dyan sa paligid niyan. Tingnan nyo na lang. Super saya, super exciting, but at the same time, super nakakapagod kasi iba talaga yung weather dahil nga mainit, so parang nadodoble yung pagod mo. Pero guys, just ko, pag nandun ka na at nagbabayad ka na or nagsuswipe ka na ng card, feeling mo na kalimutan mo yung summer. Ganon ang feels. That's the reason why I'm really excited to share with you what I purchased last week in South Korea. So first, of course, actually ito talaga yung pinaka first purchase ko nung pagdating pa lang namin, even after our brunch. Yan, ito na kaagad yung binili ko kasi sobrang cute, nakita talaga ako. So una kong binili is of course, these are for my fur baby. So di ba ang cute? Sobrang cute. Oh, yan. So, yan. Tag-isa si Bruno and Ringo. Diba? So, first purchase sa kanila talaga. And that's okay. So, yan. Diba? Nakalagay cute. Diba? Para silang nagta-taekwondo. Taekwondo o karate or whatever. Yan. Siyempre, nakalagay na Korea. So, yan ang aking first purchase. And then, wala na dito kasi pinagkukuha na ni Ate Feli. But I also bought her some of yung mga what do you call that? Mga pang BTS niyang mga something. I bought her yung socks, pen, mirror, tapos may mga something pa. Maybe I'll just have that posted again kasi kinuna na niya ng picture kasi tapos nakatago na kaagad sa kanya kaya hindi ko na nasama dito. Pero yon, syempre kasama yon, di mawawala ang BTS sa ating haul when you are in South Korea. And of course, next one, alam na alam, especially to those who are always visiting Korea, you should be visiting, guys, Olive Young, right? So, Olive Young, nakakatuwa pa siya kasi summer feels, ayan, ito ang Olive Young, tapos Sanrio pa siya. And sa mga nakakilala sa akin, I super love Hello Kitty. That's the reason why, syempre, bumili ko nito. Ito lang talaga yung binili ko for me. And this is 2+1. Syempre, yung isa nakain ko na. Kaya, dalawa na lang. Nagustuhan din ni Dad. Gustuhan din ni Dad to. So, it is actually a garlic butter bagel. Yung kay My Melody. Yung kay Hello Kitty naman is, ano nga to? Honey butter bagel chips. So, yan. Yung nakain ko is yung kay Hello Kitty actually. Yan, yan. Yung kay Hello Kitty, yung isa kong nakain. Hindi ko pa na-try itong kay My Melody. Pero, syempre, ita-try ko siya. And, of course, since we are we visited Olive Young. Nagpabili na rin si Ate Feli ng 345. So, this is the 345 na pinabili niya from Dr. Althea. So, it's a relief cream. Sorry guys, I'm not familiar with this, pero si Ate Feli ang gumagamit and siya actually ang nagpabili sa akin ito. Yan. There you go. So, everything that you need is in Olive Young, pero syempre sinasabi nga nila is mas mura sa mga pharmacy. Pero syempre guys, first time, so pagbigyan nyo na ako, kaya kailangan tayo mag-purchase yan. And next one, we also syempre bought something from ABC. Alam natin yan. But this time, I did not bought a rubber shoes for me. It actually this is actually for mom. Kay mommy to. So I bought her. So this is from ABC, guys. So ABC. Then I bought her Nike. This is for her running shoes. What I bought her are Nike Initiator. So this one, cute nga. Oh, diba? This one. So Nike Initiator, yung pinurchase ko kay mom. Yan. Yan siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Right. So, yan siya. Ganyan. Diba? Ang ganda. And syempre, kapag may bago kang sapatos, you also need to get new socks. So, I also have this socks for her na pinurchase sa ABC Martin. Yan. So, maybe you're asking, ba't naman MR, wala kang mga presyo? Naku, hindi ko talaga na nakuhaan ng price. Sorry naman guys. Pero I can say na mas mura siya talaga compared sa mga sales natin here. Kahit may sale dito sa Philippines, mas mura pa rin siya doon. Kaya parang ang sarap talagang mamili. Promise guys. So true lang talaga ako. So there, hindi lang yun. Oh, Diyos ko. Syempre, when you are shopping, kailangan mamili ka rin naman for yourself. And for myself, so una ko talaga to. Actually, itong mga to is just a simple stationery kasi talagang ito talaga yung mga favorite things na binibili ko guys. I'm really sorry. So, medyo random na to. Some are bought from Daiso. And also, if you know yung art box, doon ko rin siya pinurchase. So, I purchased this pen na merong banana milk. Diba? Ang cute! May banana milk. So, yan. Ang pen siya na may banana milk. Yan. Tapos, syempre, hindi mawawala ang pag-purchase ng ang mga memo sticky pad or sticky memo pad. So, I purchased one. Yan. Na croissant. Kahit hindi naman siya pang Korea, pero binili ko siya. Sa Artbox to. Pero ito, oh, taray ko. Yan, onigiri eh. Onigiri yung nakuha ko. Wala akong nakitang bimbap or gimbap. And then, of course, ito, feeling ko lang pero I'm not sure. Pero feeling ko tteokbokki kasi ito eh. Mukha kasi siyang tteokbokki. So, syempre, binili ko siya. Ang cute kasi. At, syempre, hindi mawawala ang pagbisita sa Daiso. Right? So, sa Daiso naman, ito lang yung binili ko. Dalawang Hello Kitty na sticky memo pad din. Sorry na guys. Talagang adik na adik ako sa mga ganito eh. And of course, ito lang, itong dalawa to, scrunchie. Yan. Yan naman yung mga binili ko sa Daiso for me. Nox, kala mo naman yun talaga. Yo, yan yung mga little things or mga kaanuhan ko lang, mga kagustuhan ko lang yan sa buhay. Syempre, we also visited Loti Mart. Sa Loti kasi masyadong medyo nag-grocery ako ng very light doon. Pero ang talagang gusto kong ipakita sa inyo, guys, here in the Philippines, we also have this. Pero ibang klase. If you know Sophie, so, nabuksan ko na siya kasi ginamit ko na siya. If you know, guys, Sophie. So, I also was able to see Sophie in Korea. But this time, it's different. Iba yung itsura niya. And iba rin yung packaging niya. Green siya. Green siya. Oh, diba? Ang cute. Green siya. Tapos, makikita nyo dito. Yan. Makikita nyo dyan, guys. Nasaan na? Yan, makikita nyo, meron siyang sticker so that once you would need to throw it, meron siyang pang-close nung mismong napkin. There. So, ganun siya. So, this one, meron naman mabibili rin dito na 42 cm. 42 cm din siya. Yes. So, 42 cm. So, this is something that I really want. Nung pangang medyo nabibigatan na kami sa mga luggage namin, sabi pa ni Erica kung pwede daw bang bawasan ko yung napkin ko. Well, sabi ko, no. I can't. I can't do that. Isa to, para itong mga sticky memo pad ko. Yan. This is kailangan. Needs. Yan, needs. Okay? Alright, so next, what else? So, syempre, hindi lang naman ko binilhan si mom ng rubber shoes. I also bought them something from Calvin Klein. Yan. I also bought them something from Calvin Klein. Pero sila actually ni dad. So, what I bought them is white shirt. Yan, white shirt na nakalagay Calvin Klein jeans, boots with the fur. Charot. Yan, Calvin Klein jeans is the one for that dad. And the other one, the other one is for mom. So, yan naman siya. Yan. So, para terno sila lang kasi silang nagtitwining. Siyempre, suportahan natin silang dalawa. Kaya, binilhan ko sila ng magka-turno. There. Okay. So, ganda nga. Isa na pala bumili rin ako ng for myself. Kaso parang wala naman akong mapili. Pero, share ko na din. Kasi meron akong nabiling goodbye din yon. Pero dito sa Philippines naman, sa Calvin Klein din, from 8,000 down to 2,600 ba yun? Parang, not just 8,000, so parang pa-9 na siya. It's actually a sweatshirt. So, goodbye na rin yun. Magandang deal na rin yun from Calvin Klein. So, what else? Syempre, when you are in South Korea, isa pa rin na dapat na kailangan kong bilhin. If you know me, guys, I really love mugs, especially the Starbucks mugs. Yung, ano to? Yung I Was Here ba? You've Been There. Basta, Been There series nila. But in Korea, what they have is the Korean regional collection. So that is what they have. So syempre, ang kinuha ko yung Seoul. Kasi sa Seoul lang naman talaga kami nagstay. This is a ceramic mug. So ang cute niya. Oh, may mga ganyan-ganyan siya. Yan. There. There. Ganyan-ganyan. Right? Pero syempre, ginamit ko na siya, no? So, this is the mug. Yan. So, ang cute, diba? Yan. Nagpahinga muna si Bengaluru mug ko. So, I'm using it, Seoul mug right now. There. And, of course, hindi din mawawala sa listahan. Ta-da! Of course, Smarty. So, I bought for the 4 of us, kay Mommy, kay Ate Feli, and kay Ate Heisey. So, there. So, I have this one for Ate Feli. And this one, syempre, for Ate Heisey. Yan. And the other one, syempre, for me, it's pink. Meron pa bang iba? Yan. But, syempre dahil malapit na ang birthday ni Mommy, so I bought her this one. Kaso nga lang kasi yan, nakalagay naman siya dito. For gift naman siya. Yan, for gift naman siya. So, may additional sang bayad, pero okay lang naman. Mura lang naman. So, this is naman for Mom. Yan. Diba ang cute? So cute. And another thing, when you visit Korea, especially if you want some flats, if you notice, I have a Vivaya, diba? I have a Vivaya. Pero, I also would like to try Sapun. There you go. So, I also purchased something from Sapun. Yan. So, this is the one that I purchased. So, yan siya guys. So, hindi medyo nagaan siya. There, yan. Yan siya. Okay? So, ako pala ay 245 or 245 pala yung aking paa there. Yan. This is color brown. So, ganito yung itsura niya for the packaging. And this is the shoes. So, yan. Ito siya. This one, so this is just a flat shoes. Yan. Flat shoes lang naman siya. So, this is something that you can also try to purchase when you visit South Korea. My friend, actually my friend Erica recommended that kasi may nakita ako sa kanyang ganyan na flats. Sabi ko, I wanna try as well. So, that's the reason why I also get one for me. So, ano pa? Ay, syempre, makakalimutan ko pa, guys. Another thing, when you visit South Korea, it will be, yes, tambourines, right? So, the one that I purchased, actually, ito talaga ang wala. Ito, literal na talagang unboxing, guys. Oh, unboxing ng tambourines. Yan siya talaga. Diba? So, when I purchased this, kasi parang malapit siya sa Itaewon, yung tambourines na location na pinagpuntahan namin. Syempre, hindi ko na, sa may, kung saan, naku, Diyos ko lo. Oo, yun. Sa may malapit sa Itaewon, but naglakad pa kami sa Hana ba? Oh my God, sorry Erica. Alam ko sinabi mo na sa akin kung saan tayo bumili. Pero nakalimutan ko, patawarin mo na ako. Pero yon. So, syempre when you purchase something from overseas, lalo na kung you are traveling, there's always a global tax. Di ba meron siyang tax-free. So, there. So, nakakuha naman ako ng what do you call this? Nabalik naman sa akin yung tax nito. Kung magkano, wag na natin pag-usapan. So, the one that I purchased is the Blue Hinoki. So, this is actually the latest scent of tambourines. Yan. And they also gave me a sampler. And ang nakakatuwa, kasi ang binigay nilang sampler is also Blue Hinoki. Hindi ibang scent. Yan. So, there. So, this is the only time that I'll be opening this. So, talagang literal na unboxing to. So, gusto ko sana ibang video because it's already 18 minutes. I think I'll just have this in a different video for unboxing para makita nyo, especially to the ones that who would like to purchase tambourines. Alright? But again, guys, thank you very much again for watching. I hope you enjoy just my little haul that I got from Korea. And if you have like suggestions or any comments or anything that you would like me also to show you, then let me know in the comments. Thank you again, guys, for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!